Since established in 1993, Tofflon has been a global leader in freeze-drying systems due to its continuous investment in vacuum freeze-drying technology. Business layout includes 4 major sectors: pharmaceuticals, healthcare, life sciences, and food engineering. And products are widely used in injections, solid formulations, chemical raw materials, bioengineering, traditional Chinese medicine, healthcare, and food fields. Tofflon currently have over 5,000 technical talents, 2,000 patented technologies, 200 software copyrights, and an annual sales revenue of over 8 billion yuan. And products are distributed in 50+ countries and regions around the world, serving more than 3,500 pharmaceutical companies worldwide. Tofflon Group collaborates with multiple food engineering and machinery research institutions at home and abroad to create an intelligent equipment industrial park in Dongtai that integrates production, learning, research, and tourism. Tofflon Dongtai Industrial Park project covers an area of 298 acres and is expected to build a 400,000 square meters factory and supporting buildings. The first phase of construction covers an area of 170,000 square meters. Plans to enter business sectors such as Tofflon Huihe, Tofflon Joy, food packaging, pharmaceutical packaging, basic manufacturing, and modular manufacturing. Tofflon Huihe. Tofflon Huihe is committed to provide customers with safe, energy-saving and effective equipment and with superior, fast, and customized service. Its products mainly include water treatment, pre-blending, high-speed 3-in-1 PET bottle/glass bottle/aluminum can filling machine, bottled water/aerated beverage/aseptic beverage blowing filling capping production line and turnkey project of the whole plant. Tofflon Joy. Tofflon Joy is a supplier to provide food equipment and engineering turnkey project services for global food company, including technology R&D, engineering design, equipment manufacturing, engineering installation, training services for fruit and vegetable deep processing products, dairy products, beverages, liquor products, biological fermentation products, and other fields. Tofflon Food Packaging. Food packaging is mainly engaged in the research and development and production of aseptic filling equipment for food. Based on the advanced technological concept of homology between medicine and food, 2 types of aseptic filling equipment have been successively launched, mainly used for aseptic filling of dairy products, plant protein, tea, and juice drinks. Tofflon Pharmaceutical Packaging. In 2015, Pharmaceutical Packaging launched full automatic intelligent penicillin bottle lamp inspection machine, leak detection machine, thermoforming machine, carton packing machine, case packing machine, palletizing machine and other secondary packaging intelligent equipment. Tofflon Modularization. Tofflon Modular Factory refers to the module manufacturing in the pharmaceutical workshop, and the engineering form of modular assembly after acceptance in customer site. It has advantages of short construction cycle, controllable delivery quality, high utilization rate, precise budget, low investment risk, high flexibility, energy conservation, environmental protection, and easy expansion and remote recycling. Tofflon Basic Manufacturing. Basic manufacturing base of Tofflon Group is committed to creating mechanized and intelligent basic manufacturing, covering the manufacturing of tank containers for freeze drying, biological fermentation, cell culture, and liquid preparation, meeting the processing and manufacturing of various special materials. Integrate efficient management systems such as MAS, digital simulation, and digital twins to create mechanization, automation, and intelligent. Tofflon will join hands and work together on the hot land of Dongtai to promote the technological integration of the pharmaceutical, medical, life sciences, and food sectors, and contribute to a power of human health.